According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 314.16, a 22.5 cubic inch outlet box can indeed hold up to 9 number 12 conductors, including a ground wire. This calculation is based on the box fill requirements outlined in the NEC. To fully understand this, we need to break down the fundamentals of conductor fill. The NEC specifies the maximum number of conductors permitted in a box to ensure adequate space for heat dissipation and safe wire manipulation. The calculation involves assigning specific volume allowances to each conductor, device, and fitting present in the box. These allowances are based on the conductor size. For number 12 conductors, each conductor is typically assigned a volume of 2.25 cubic inches. Grounding conductors also contribute to the box fill calculation. The NEC requires that all grounding conductors entering the box are counted as a single conductor based on the largest ground wire entering the box. Therefore, even if you have multiple grounding conductors, they are counted as one number 12 conductor for box fill purposes, which is 2.25 cubic inches. Internal cable clamps, if present, also require a volume allowance. Typically, the allowance for all clamps combined is equivalent to one conductor, based on the largest conductor entering the box. In this case, it would be equivalent to one number 12 conductor, or 2.25 cubic inches. Any devices, such as switches or receptacles, that are installed in the box also require space. Each device counts as 2 conductors based on the size of the conductors connected to it. Therefore, if you have a switch or a receptacle, it would count as 2 number 12 conductors, which is 4.5 cubic inches. To determine the maximum number of conductors allowed, you subtract the volume allowances for devices, clamps, and grounding conductors from the total box volume and then divide the remaining volume by the allowance per conductor. In this specific case, with 9 number 12 conductors including a ground, let's verify the calculation. We have 9 number 12 conductors, each requiring 2.25 cubic inches. So 9 times 2.25 equals 20.25 cubic inches. Since your box has a volume of 22.5 cubic inches, you are within the allowable limit. It is important to ensure that all connections are properly made and that the conductors are neatly arranged within the box to avoid overcrowding, which could lead to overheating or insulation damage. Furthermore, when dealing with baseboard heater controls, it is crucial to verify the ampacity of the conductors and the rating of the control devices to ensure they are suitable for the intended load. Always consult the NEC and local electrical codes for the most accurate and up-to-date information. In the context of a remodel job, particularly when trying to minimize the size of a load-bearing post, careful planning and adherence to electrical codes are essential. The NEC provides guidelines for safe and compliant electrical installations in various scenarios, including remodels and new construction. Remember that the information provided here is for general guidance only and does not substitute the advice of a qualified electrician. When in doubt, always consult with a licensed electrical professional to ensure your installation meets all applicable codes and safety standards.